One of the most common complaints that Shopify merchants have is that they need too many apps to successfully operate their store. Don't get me wrong, sometimes apps are necessary and can expand the functionality of your Shopify store, but having too many apps is a major pain. It can be really difficult to manage all of these apps. You often have to log in individually to different apps. It's tough to keep track of which apps you're using or what you're using each app for. And worst of all, depending on what type of app you're using, it might slow down your Shopify website, which is never something that you want your customers to have to experience. Now, there are actually pretty common use cases for why people add Shopify apps to their store. Things like profit tracking, reporting and analytics, inventory management, CRM and customer segmentation, and more recently, AI-generated content. All of these things are essential business activities, and these are the things that people are typically using apps to handle. Now, is this video a shameless promotion for one app or another? Yes, it is. Our mission here at Boardroom is to help you save time and make better data-driven decisions. Part of that mission is reducing the number of apps that you need to successfully manage your store. So yes, you can use the Boardroom app and get all of this functionality in one app. You can get profit tracking and tons of analytics and automated scheduled reports. You can do inventory analytics and set up custom alerts that remind you when it's time to restock your products. You can get a customer CRM and segmentation functionality, even a customer heat map, which is my favorite page in the entire app. And yes, you can also generate content using artificial intelligence directly within the Boardroom app and then publish it to your store for things like product descriptions and blog posts and emails. So yes, Boardroom has all of this and a bag of chips included in one app. If you think that this sounds cool and you'd like to save time and save money by using one app instead of 15, then I hope you'll try Boardroom free for 2 weeks today.